Okay, in this example, use your calculator to help you sketch the graphs of y equals negative 0.5 x squared plus 4 and y equals 2x squared minus 6. So two parabolas, one downward pointing, one opening downwards and one opening upwards. So let's graph this. Negative 0.5 x squared plus 4 and 2x squared minus 6. Does it look like what we graphed in class? There it is, two intersection points. Let's verify second, trace, go down to intersect. Okay, negative 2, 2, that is indeed one of our intersection points. Let's calculate the other one. Okay, there you go, 2, 2, indeed. Okay, next part, how could you transform one of the graphs so that the graphs do not intersect? Write the equation of the image of transformation. So I'm going to leave this on here. So we're going to take a look at graph 1, which is the blue graph here. We're going to ask what the equation needs to be, what transformation is applied to the blue graph so it moves down so that there's no longer an intersection point. Okay, so go back. In class we said we just need to shift that vertex. So the blue graph, let's go back. The blue graph has a vertex of 0, 4. Let's make the blue graph have a vertex of 0, negative 7. So we shift it down so it doesn't intersect the red graph anymore. So what does that look like? It looks like this. So negative 0.5 x squared. Okay, and we said minus 7. That will shift the vertex down. Okay. And then there's the black graph, okay? And that's the blue graph transform where we shift the vertex down to 0, negative 7, and thus the graphs no longer intersect. Part C, how could you transform one of the graphs so that the graphs intersect at exactly 1 point, okay? So let's transform graph 1. So the same blue graph, let's transform it to have a vertex where it exactly touches the vertex of the red graph, okay? So in class, what did that look like? Negative 0.5 x squared minus, oops, what happened here? Negative 0.5 5x squared minus 6, okay? And there's that pink graph. We shifted the blue graph down to where the vertex is exactly at 0, negative 6, and that results in one intersection point with the red graph.